In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make a web application with an expansion element. I enter title and visual file values into input objects. When I click on the button, an expansion object is created. You can add more than one expansion object. In the video I will show step by step how to do the application. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel to support us. First, I will create an input object for name. I am creating a variable. I send the name of the object to the input function. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I added the input object for name to the web page. Now I will create an input object for the image file. I am creating a variable. I send the name of the object to the input function. I am saving the code file. I added the input object for the image file to the web page. I will use these images in the project. You can download the images from GitHub in the description section of the video. Now I will add a button object. I am creating a variable. I send text, icon, and color parameters to the button function. I am saving the code file. I added a button to the web page. I want a function to be called when the button is clicked. I can do this by defining a function in the onClick property. I define the function. I send the input and icon value created for name to the expansion function. I set the size of the object using the class's function. I am sending the file name to the image function. I can access all input objects using the value function. I set the size of the object using the class's function. I am saving the code file. I will create an expansion object for Python. I enter values into input objects. I created the expansion object. I can create more than one expansion object. I am creating the object for JavaScript. Finally, I will add a label object. I am sending a suitable text to the label function. I am saving the code file. I enter values for Python. When I click on the button, an expansion object is created. You can create as many expansion objects as you want. In this video, we learned how to use the expansion object. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel to support us.